When we seek self-service over selfless service, our priorities become centered on our own recognition and pleasure. Past generations had their struggle with variations of egotism and narcissism. But I think today we're giving them serious competition. Is it any coincidence that the Oxford Dictionary recently proclaimed selfie as a word of the year? Naturally, we all have a desire for recognition, and there's nothing wrong with relaxing and enjoying ourselves. But when seeking the gain and the praise of the world is a central part of our motivation, we will miss the redemptive and joyful experiences that come when we give generously of ourselves to the work of the Lord.